Here you can see the normal foot pedal, how they come standard with the Mach E Premium Edition. When you look here, this is all metal, there's nothing on it. Here we have a rubber piece on it. To remove that, it has here a flap. Can you see the flap? You just pull on it hard and the flap goes out. Now you can just slide it off. Now the rubber piece is off and this is the blank foot pedal now. Now I got the new pedal here. You see on the back side it is open here a little bit, so I tried to get it over it. I start from the bottom here. I tried to squeeze this in and then put the other one over, just like this. So I got the bottom two corners. Now the top here, it's a little bit almost still. Push it. Make sure the rubber is everywhere over the metal. Last test grip, and it fits perfect. Now I'm gonna put the throttle pedal cover. If you look here, it's open on the top. You want the two lines on the bottom so that it matches here. So you just slide it over one side, get it over the other side. Make sure the rubber goes over each edge. Push it in everywhere. Final check. And this is how the two foot pedals look like when you put the aftermarket covers on it.